Hi, Sonny. What's in your backpack?
I have a pencil and a pen.
Wow. Do you have an eraser?
Yes, here it is.
Let's draw a circle.
Now let's draw a square.
Where's your ruler?
It's in my pencil case.
Let's sit on the chair and read a book.
Okay, I love reading at my desk.
Pen. Pen.
Pencil. Pencil.
Eraser. Eraser.
Ruler. Ruler.
Pencil case. Pencil case.
Backpack. Backpack.
Book. Book.
Notebook. Notebook.
Desk. Desk.
Chair. Chair.
Circle. Circle.
Square. Square.
Triangle. Triangle.
Rectangle. Rectangle.